Optimizing well drilling process efficiencies. When drilling wells, maintaining the drilling schedule is imperative, so the rig can move to another drilling location as quickly as possible. Monitoring drilling depth in real time is a vital aspect of the drilling process, so operators can swiftly adjust drilling fluids and speeds to minimize breakdowns. The monitoring process typically involves counting the number of pipes left in the lanyard, as the number of used pipes determines drilling depth. The Tilt Scout from SignalFire Wireless Telemetry helps solve the challenge of measuring drilling depth in real time. Attached to the bottom of a boom truck, this wireless inclinometer counts the number of times the boom moves up and down while loading the drilling rig with pipes for ground installation. By multiplying the pipe length by the number of up-down cycles of the boom, supervisors can determine drilling depth. The Tilt Scout interfaces with a SignalFire wireless network to report information to a SCADA system for supervisory management. The Tilt Scout ensures accurate measurement of drilling depth in real time for greater operating efficiencies in the well drilling process. The Tilt Scout is just one of 3 new integrated sensor nodes that combine the sensor, communication module, and battery into one package for easy wireless and low-cost integration into a remote sensing system. Visit the SignalFire website for more information on the Tilt Scout or other products in the Scout family.